What is going on, YouTube? I am back with another review, and today we're going to be reviewing the Milwaukee hammer drill. Now, yes, I did get into the giveaway. 100 subscribers has been hit, so thank you very much. The next goal is 500, in which I'll be giving away a 1/4 inch impact. Anyways, let's get into this video. Starting with the overall design, I think Milwaukee nailed it. It's got a really balanced feel in the hand, and when it's compared to DeWalt Ryobi Rigid, it's actually got a metal front face construction, meaning all this here is actually metal, meaning it has a really good durability. I have used this for multiple years now, and it's held up in every situation I have needed it to be. It is a variable speed, meaning there's 1 and 2 speeds. The first speed is going to be a slower speed. It will be if you're using it to drill in like screws, so it's not that fast, but it is useful. And then the second speed is if you're actually drilling something, like using a drill bit to drill through something. It's going to be a little faster with less torque. There are different settings around the shank as well as in the hammer, so if you'd be putting in screws, lag bolts, other things, you'd be using that setting. If you're going to be drilling, you twist it to the drill, and if so on and so forth, it changes the amount of torque and speed, 14 being the highest all the way down to the lowest setting, which on this one is 2. The battery life itself lasts pretty good. I usually use it with the larger battery, which is the 5 amp, and the 5 amp usually gets me around a few hours of drilling. I've done multiple different jobs where I've drilled for over 5-10 minutes, and the drill itself doesn't get overly hot. There's a fan system that's integrated into the design that rotates whenever you spin the trigger, which seems to work very well. At this front of the drill, you actually have the shank. The shank, left to tighten, right to loosen. It's reverse thread, so it doesn't come loose when you're drilling, which is nice. It is smooth. I've never had any issues of it gumming up. Obviously, mine is pretty dirty because it's well used, but it still works pretty effortlessly. It does take a lot of abuse, but it does handle it well with this metal construction. It doesn't break off, which is nice. It also has these bumpers on the front and back all the way around, which is just nice so it doesn't really mark up the casing when you lay it down on its side. Like everything, it's got a light on the front, and this helps identify where you're drilling. And it's also got this nice little clip on the side where you could put a drill bit. Otherwise, there's not many other features involved with this drill itself. You could get this in a combo kit or buy the drill itself. I appreciate the fact that Milwaukee did its research when it comes to overall user feel, because the weight is nice, the balance is nice, and the overall sound while drilling is very quiet, so it keeps that decibel level low. As well as the battery time, it seems to work pretty well and last a long time. Overall, I think this is a good purchase, and anyone who's going to be doing any drilling, especially needs the drilling to be portable, Milwaukee is definitely a good choice when it comes to that selection. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe this video and follow, because we're going to be doing more and more giveaways, so enjoy.